Welcome to SK English Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to learn vocabulary about jobs in English. Are you ready? Let's start. Teacher. Teacher. He is a teacher. Police officer. Police officer. He is a police officer. Soldier. Soldier. He is a soldier. Firefighter. Firefighter. He is a firefighter. Doctor. Doctor. He is a doctor. Dentist. Dentist. He is a dentist. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. He is a veterinarian. Artist. Artist. He is an artist. Painter. Painter. He is a painter. Architect. Architect. He is an architect. Engineer. Engineer. He is an engineer. Graphic designer. Graphic designer. He is a graphic designer. Electrician. Electrician. He is an electrician. Mechanic. Mechanic. He is a mechanic. Banker. Banker. He is a banker. Accountant. Accountant. He is an accountant. Astronaut. Astronaut. He is an astronaut. Pilot. Pilot. He is a pilot. Flight attendant. Flight attendant. He is a flight attendant. Lawyer. Lawyer. He is a lawyer. Judge. Judge. He is a judge. Singer. Singer. He is a singer. Musician. Musician. He is a musician. Cashier. Cashier. He is a cashier. Barista. Barista. He is a barista. Waiter. Waiter. He is a waiter. Cleaner. Cleaner. He is a cleaner. Chef. Chef. He is a chef. Baker. Baker. He is a baker. Butcher. Butcher. He is a butcher. Farmer. Farmer. He is a farmer. Carpenter. Carpenter. He is a carpenter. Plumber. Plumber. He is a plumber. Taxi driver. Taxi driver. He is a taxi driver. Bus driver. Bus driver. He is a bus driver. Actor. Actor. He is an actor. Author. Author. He is an author. Journalist. Journalist. He is a journalist. Photographer. Photographer. He is a photographer. Postman. Postman. He is a postman. Barber. Barber. He is a barber. Footballer. Footballer. He is a footballer.